While we're on the theme of it, should we do the bath, the tiny bath? The box is worth it just for that on its own. Melting like a dog. That's a vibe, guys. Jeff, good job, Jeff. Wow. What do we have here? Is this an early Lush kitchen box, I hear you say? Early? What date is it? Is this today? Yeah, today it came, 26th of July, you guys. So we've been privileged this month. We've technically got 2 boxes in 1 month. This is amazing. I hope this is a new sort of thing that's happening. Like, let's get them earlier. I love it. I remember when I first signed up, we used to get them early every now and again. And it was such a wonderful treat. I think a lot of us got used to them being sort of end of the month coming instead of beginning of the following month. And then it just started to get later. But anyway, we've got this. This is very exciting. I saw a dispatch email in my email and I was like, I haven't ordered anything, so what in God's name are they dispatching? And then I had a little look, correlated the order numbers and discovered it was the kitchen box. I was like, oh, woohoo. This is the ever so exciting one that everybody's been pumped for. It is the ice cream one. I think it's called something Sunday ice cream, Sunday something. Oh no, I do this every time. I've got nowhere to put my packing peanuts. We all scream for ice cream. This is adorable. That's what it looks like. Ice cream on all aspects of the box, which we like. Smells interesting. I find with boxes like this that really get my hopes up, I do tend to sometimes get let down. So fingers crossed it's all good. By the way, I couldn't be asked to get changed. I've got my nightie on. Do apologise, guys. I hope my neck isn't a different colour from my chest. It probably is, but let's look past it if it is. Let's slide it out. This is cute. Let's have a little look of this, shall we? I think I might try and make a little like flip book of these somehow. I might have to cut them just so it's like one square, and then I might get like, you know, those little fabric loops you would get in high school that you could just thread a piece of page on, like in the corner you would do a little hole punch. I might do that because I'm currently keeping these under my bed and they're very chunky, you know. They do take up a lot of space when you add them up. So yeah, I may just cut out like this portion with the info, which is a bit of a shame because it does cut off nice bits. Got any ideas, guys? Let me know. You know me, I like to save things like this. I'm a bit sad. So this one says, ice cream, you scream, we all scream for. A Lush kitchen box full of fresh ice cream inspired treats for the shower, bath and body. Oh, cool. Earlier this year, we asked the Lush community what you wanted to see in our upcoming subscription boxes, and you screamed for ice cream. Enjoy this month's collection of handmade vegan products inspired by sweet cold desserts. Wonderful. Got your slip that you've got everything on. We'll put that to one side. Oh my God, it's so cute. It looks very cute. Please don't let me down, box. Please don't let me down. I have seen people post their boxes online. What the hell? Okay, we'll start with this, I guess. This is tiny. People were saying that the bath bomb and the bubble bar was small, but this is minute. In my spoilers video, I literally said as well, I was like, oh, it's one of the swirly bubble bars. Amazing, because they're huge. You'll get loads of baths out of that. You ready? It's like the size of my palm. Oh my God, it smells delicious though. Oh, that makes up for it. Why is it this small? What are you doing to us, Slush? It's like not even as big as my cheek. It's very small, which is extremely sad because it smells ever so delicious. Ooh, that is just a very lovely sort of fresh strawberry scent. It's got a little bit of something else going on in there that I can smell. So let's see what that might be. Oh, that smells delicious. Sort of giving me like strawberry slush puppy vibes. Very scrumptious. Okay, so there's Haywood oil in there and Jasmine Absolute. So that might be the something extra it's giving me, something a little bit different. But you can predominantly smell strawberry in there. There's strawberry powder, coconut powder, lemon oil. That's delicious. It's ever so sad that it's so teeny weeny though. They do like to keep us on our feet, don't they? Why is it so small? I'm so confused. Right, well, realistically, I do like a lot of bubbles. I'd probably say 2 baths out of that one. They're usually like double this size, the swirly ones, aren't they? And the one last month was like double this size. I'm very confused. Maybe they ran out of... I don't know. Anyway, that smells delicious. Shame about the size, but we like the smell. That's the main thing. While we're on the theme of it, should we do the bath, the tiny, tiny bath? What's going on? Maybe it's because the majority of it is potted large products that they've done the other 2 slightly smaller. I don't know. Here's the other ever so tiny bath product. They're weenie. Ooh, that reminds me of something. Can you hear my dog panting in the background? I'm ever so sorry. You're right, love. This smells extremely familiar and I can't put my finger on it. This is mint chocolate bath bomb. So you've got in there vegan dark chocolate, peppermint oil, spearmint oil, geranium, fair trade shea butter, gardenia. It's got a bit of like an edge of floralness to it. Like, this isn't my favourite scent in the world. It is minty. I wouldn't say it's particularly chocolatey. And again, yeah, it has like a floralness to it, which is throwing me off slightly. It's not horrible, it's not. It's just like, why is it called mint choc chip if it's mint chocolate, if it's a bit florally as well? It just confuses me. But anyway, it smells fine. That's fine. I can live with that. Ooh, let's do this one. This is so exciting. So this is cookie dough body scrub. I love the packaging on this. Their themed packaging is just top notch when they do these boxes. I do love it a lot. Lovely little sprinkly packaging. This says, with a dash of carob resinoid and a sprinkle of Moorish vanilla absolute, this sugary scrub sure does take the biscuit. Let's have a look. Ooh, that does just look like cookie dough, doesn't it? Very solid. That's so yummy. Matt and Finley, good job, guys. It says here, Matt and Finley's cookie dough, so well done to them. Jeez Louise. It's like cookie dough, but there's something else in it that's really, oh, like marzipan. It's like marzipan cookie dough. Oh my God, yes, it smells a bit like a Battenberg with cookie dough. Let's have a look what's in it. Granulated sugar, fir balsam resin, almond oil, probably the almond given the Battenberg vibes, carob resinoid, vanilla absolute, cocoa powder, aloe extract, some gardenia in there as well, hazelnut oil, it might be that as well. That deserves a place in heaven, that does. Wowza. That has hit the spot. That's delicious. I'm sorry, the box is worth it just for that on its own. Excellent job, guys. Right, let's do, this is the product I was probably not as excited for this one. It's Jasmines. Oh, cool, are people making these? What is this? Okay, so it must have, oh, cute. So it has some of like the inventors' names in and people that work at Lush, which is fun. So this is Jasmine's Yuzu and Cocoa Sorbet Body Lotion. Lovely green sprinkly packaging. Very nice. Ooh. That's really nice. I do like Yuzu and Cocoa, don't get me wrong, it's just, it doesn't like thrill me dramatically. But that's really delish, that's lovely. You can definitely smell the Yuzu and Cocoa 100%. To me, it smells exactly like the body spray. It's a little bit more mild though, which I do quite like. I'm loving Lush body lotions and body butters recently. They are just elite. Let's give it a go, shall we? Ooh, a little bit on the runnier side. I got hair on me. I've got hair on me, sorry guys. I'm melting like a dog. This damn dog. Just put him out, guys. Do fair with you. Oh, I just love the look it gives my skin. That's nice. That's a little more on the lightweight side, but you can still feel that it's really quite nourishing. It's sunk in quite quickly. I'm probably a bit dry though. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay, I regret saying that this wasn't going to thrill me because it's thrilled me immensely. Delicious. You can really smell the yuzu and cocoa, but it's not like really super powering your face. It's just really quite nice. This is going well so far. Like the scents are good. The only one I'm a bit umming and ahhing on is that one, but scents, fantastic. Should we do now? Should we do the shower gel? Okay, so this is Jeff's. What is this called, Jeff? This is Jeff's Creamsicle. Are you going to make it 3 for 3, Jeff? Because this is going very well. So this is Creamsicle Shower Gel, asked for you, made fresh by us with a ice cream dream team of vanilla pod infusion, Sicilian mandarin and tangerine oils. Let's give it a go. Lovely orange colour. It's sort of like a cinders orange, which is nice. Oh, I love how brim filling they make these shower gels, it's great. How are they doing this? Let's do a little squirt, shall we? Very bright. That is actually amazing. It, honest to God, smells exactly like what we established in my last video is a creamsicle. Actually, it smells a bit more to me like rocket ice lollies. It's probably the same sort of ice lolly on the outside that is a rocket ice lolly as well, I would have thought perhaps. Creamsicles, I think we established, were ice cream in the middle, ice lolly layer on the outside. But that to me smells a lot like rocket ice lollies that we get in the UK. I don't know if you get them anywhere else. I'll pop a picture. It's almost like I can it's almost like I can also smell the wooden popsicle stick as well. That's a vibe, guys. Jeff, good job, Jeff. Bergamot, neroli, Sicilian mandarin, tangerine, carrageenan and gardenia at vanilla pod. That's wonderful. Very good. It's just a very sort of orangey, tropically, slightly creamy scent, but it's almost like I can smell that. Do you know what I mean by smell the wooden stick? You know when you get to the end of like an ice cream or a popsicle and you can like taste the wood of the stick. Is that just me? That's a thing, isn't it? That has to be a thing. It's almost like I can smell that as well. It's really cool. I'll save the most exciting for last, shall I? Let's do the soap next. Oh, that's very, oh god. I meant to look like that. This one was the one I was least excited for as well when I did the spoilers, but it still sounds alright nonetheless. And it is New Bar Soap. Right, okay, so it's got pistachios in it. So this is probably why it looks the way it does. So it's got, yeah, I think that's obviously pistachios, isn't it? And it's just leaked into the product because it's so creamy. This is the same shape as the Mrs. Whippy, I think it was Mrs. Whippy bath bomb we got a while ago. It's an ever so creamy one as well, extremely creamy, which is nice. This one I've seen a lot of people be like, not too fussed on the soap sort of thing when I've seen their unboxings. I mean, it's not horrible, it is just extremely pistachio heavy. It does just smell like it's sort of like Christmas, you're eating a bag of pistachios, you know, just picking the shells off. It's sort of a lot like that. It feels like it would be very moisturising though. What have we got in here? Coconut oil, ground hazelnut, pistachio nuts, rose absolute, vetiver, gardenia. There's gardenia in everything of this. How bizarre. It is a very sort of, it's quite savoury if you ask me. There's not, I can't smell lashings of coconut to be honest with you. I can just smell a lot of pistachio and nuttiness to be quite honest. A lot sort of stronger nuttiness than those lotions we had, the body butters. It's very, very strong but very nutty. Cute though, nonetheless, very cute. Okie dokie. The vibe of this is just spectacular. Like, look at this little thing I've just made here. How cute is that? Okay, last one, which is very exciting, this is Rowina's. How exciting. Frozen custard shower jelly. This one says, what better way to cool down than an ice cream? Or in this case, a yummy custard scented shower jelly shaped as an ice cream. Cute, cute. So this has vanilla pod infusion, carrageenan, and perfume, so it doesn't really say much on that one. This is yummy custard scented. Cute, cute. Ooh, I was worried about this one. I was worried because I'm not like, I don't mind yummy custard. It's just sometimes I smell it and I love it. Sometimes I smell it and I'm like, I don't love it as much, you know. But that's scrumptious. Let's get it out. That's really cute. This one's quite solid, this shower jelly. I like that. It is an ice cream. This is a lot like sturdier. This isn't like flimsy like some can be. This is really quite a nice sturdy one. Like, that's really, really yummy. Really, really yummy. Okay, maybe I'm getting back onto yummy custard again. Who knows? I don't know what my brain does sometimes. That's delicious. Pure yummy custard scent. Absolutely gorgeous. That is fantastic. Well done, Rowina. That's really, really good. Really, really good. I love when I pick these jellies up because they're really moisturising, so I just rub it on my hands. All in all, that's probably the most exciting / best box I've had in a very long time. So I'm proper chuffed with that. I think, yeah, I'm going to keep it all. May as well. The soap, like, it's fine. I'll use it. It seems creamy. I'll probably just do a whole bath of this. I might film it as well. It's all very exciting. 1,000,000% my favourite product is the cookie dough. Excellent work. And I do really like this. Just wish it was bigger. God, that's really good. I just wish it was larger. That's the only issue I've got there. But everything else, fantastic. Have you guys received your boxes yet? If so, let me know what you think of yours. What is your favourite product? And yeah, let's talk. Let's talk. I love it. Really, really good box. I feel like these boxes have come around really quick because we've had the lemon one and this one like in quick succession. It's been a wonderful month, guys. Anyway, I will go now. I'll see you all soon. I love you all very, very much. Bye-bye.